When I hear her voice, it really pulls me back home.
I think she's like a conduit to the spirit world or something. I don't know what's going on, you know. Whatever she has is brilliant.
Ní lendan na marí le goth mar sin. Tagann sé an chrí, tagann sé an dúchas, tagann sé an na sínsir, agus stoppann sé tú, agus tú a géiste.
The first time I heard Moya's voice was on the radio. I was in a car, I had to pull over. I never heard anything like it in my life.
She's a normal person until she opens her mouth, and then you realise she's got a great gift.
Moya is the whole package. She's incredibly talented. She's straight with you. She's beautiful. And she's a great laugh.